says it's a sickness. That means you can't exhale smoke because your exhaust pipe is clogged.
But I have to see the origin of the V. Can you manage that, Mr. Smoky Jo? Please? We need to cure his coughitis.
Come to think of it, there's a recipe for ancient cure, nya.
How do you know that, nya?
There is, nya. Written in the venerated book handed down to us, nya.
Oh, I remember that recipe. We can make it if you bring us the ingredients, nya.
A steel blossom tarnished by dark fog, a piece of metal belonging to a villain, and a mouthful of rotten oil, nya.
Oh, the only place to find anything metal is here.
No, it's not. There's your V.
You're right. And we have to find a steel blossom tarnished by dark fog as well. The only place we can find those things is Vegaland.